Hi guys, Big Bang Biker here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. So in the last 2 or 3 videos, you have seen more details about the Honda Highness Pro. In this video, I wanted to explain something different. Not just the bike, rather the dash itself. There are a lot of features here. So let's go one by one. Switch on, and obviously it goes through that cycle. Very good. Let me take this a little back. Yes. And as you saw there, I could easily pull the bike back. Absolutely no issues. Obviously you have the neutral indicator, side stand indicator. And the thing is, the ABS is not switchable, meaning it is always on, both the front and the back. The traction control is switchable, meaning it can be switched off. You can switch off the traction control using this button here. I'll hold it for 2 seconds, and you see this indicator came on, and that's how the traction control can be switched off on this motorcycle. Again, hold this and it's gone. Only for 2 seconds is what you have to do, and you'll get really good feel of what traction control on and off is on this particular motorcycle. Currently I'm in neutral. As you see there, you have a gear indicator as well, and you have the fuel indicator as well in the horizontal part here. And as you see there, I can see different features. Range is the amount of fuel for which how many kilometers you can go. 46 kilometers is what it says. Then you have trip A average, what is the fuel consumption that you got, trip A, trip B, and the total kilometers that's been done. It's 23 kilometers so far. So that's how it is, and I operated using these buttons here. Very easy. This feels like the Adventure 390 or the KTM series, that kind of switch. The only thing that will confuse you here is the horn and the indicator. That's one thing which you have to get used to. And then you have the hazard here. When you switch it on, you have the hazard indicator as well. You have always on light. Come on, that's not a feature. So then let me sit on the bike, switch off the hazard, and then show you again. The hazard indicator is gone. That's nice. So then you have the indicators. So let me explain how the Bluetooth thing works right now. First of all, you have to hold both the buttons. It will come into economy mode. Then you have to go to the next mode, on off. You can check. The next button hote. You go to the time mode. Next, you can set the time. Next, then you can check the brightness of the screen. As you can see, the brightness can be reduced and totally increased. It's up to you. Next, then you can come to reset of the entire dash. I believe that's what it says, reset. Yes or no you can select. Next, and then as you see there, the Bluetooth option comes in. And the funny part is, we both have Apple devices.
Yes.
And you do not have an app which can connect with this motorcycle. If you have an Android phone, definitely you can connect to the motorcycle and have different kinds of notifications come on. Unfortunately, I cannot show you that. Look out for some YouTuber who does that video and find out how the Bluetooth works. So this is how you enable Bluetooth on the Honda Highness. Thank you, Umar.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for showing that. Okay. First of all, you can use these buttons, physical buttons as well, get into a particular mode, and then you can come here and toggle between the switches using these buttons here, and you can use the enter mode to go into different sets or different types, and then you can manually check here again, right? We are not able to use the back button, maybe because we need to connect via Bluetooth and check it out. Honestly, I'm not aware of that. That's the only one feature that I don't know about this bike. Otherwise, rest of the things really good. Okay, so while we were observing the bike, we found one more feature here which the Honda people also did not tell us. Well, Umar, thanks for catching this. Can you put your keys there? See that? I guess you can put your helmets or valuables or something like that, and you can really lock it here. Oh, you just have to press it there, Ashtaya.
Press and lock.
Press and lock, okay. So open this, take off the key, press and lock. Oh, that's very nice. Okay, I believe this video was informative for you guys. If you're buying this motorcycle, you know how to use the dash, what all you will see in the dash, and what are the things you can do with the dash. So in that small analog digital cluster, they have done wonders with this motorcycle. Do check it out. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and thank you so much for Twist Throttle for giving the bike today for these kind of shenanigans. They'll be giving me this bike for a day or two soon, and I'll be doing a highway review of that. Wait for it. and it will be coming soon on my channel. Next up will be the Royal Enfield Meteor. I have some friends who are in touch with me. I'll find out when I can get that motorcycle and review it for you guys. Lots and lots of things are coming on Big Bang Biker channel. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned, and if you're new, subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.